Usap-usapan ngayon sa mundo ng boxing ang posibleng sunod na makakalaban ng ating pambato na si Mercito no Mercihista na matatandaang nakakuha ng upset na panalo noong linggo kontra sa former world champion na si Jojo Diaz via split decision. Matapos kasi ang laban ay na-interview itong si Mercito Hista at natanong kung sino ang gusto niyang isunod sa listahan. Sagot naman niya ay gusto niyang labanan ang malalakas sa kanyang dibisyon at isa na dyan si Ryan King Ray Garcia na napabalita na din noon na makakalaban sana niya.
I want the best and of course the best right now is Ryan Garcia.
Pero may nakaschedule na laban na si Ryan Garcia kaya naman gusto daw niyang makalaban ang undefeated Mexican knockout artist na alaga ni De La Hoya na si William Zepeda.
I think me the available right now that's probably easier and quicker is probably Zepeda and I would love to fight.
Pero iba ang plano ni De La Hoya. Balak niyang ipasok si Mercito Hista bilang undercard ng labang Garcia versus Tank Davis sa susunod na buwan at ang kaniyang young undefeated hot prospect na si Floyd Schofield ang ipapalaban niya kay Kabayan. May kasalukuyang kartada itong si Floyd Schofield na 13 wins, 0 loss, 10 via knockout, 5'7" ang height at 20 anyos pa lang. At hawak-hawak din niya ngayon ang titulong WBA International Lightweight title. Bagamat bata pa sa professional boxing itong si Schofield, ay may malawak na din itong karanasan bilang amateur boxer. Bata pa lang ay tinuturoan na ng kanyang ama na kanya namang naging trainer hanggang ngayon. Sa isang artikulo ay sinabi din ni Floyd Schofield na siya daw ang best boxer ever. Kung sakaling matuloy ang laban nila sa susunod na buwan, gaya ng sinabi ni Oscar De La Hoya, kakayanin kaya ng ating pambatong si Mercito Hista na may kasalukuyang kartada na 34 wins, 3 losses, 3 draws, 17 via knockout at may edad na ngayon na 35 anyos itong undefeated prospect na si Floyd Schofield na 20 anyos pa lang. Ilan sa mga laban ni Schofield na talagang nagbigay atensyon sa mga boxing fans ay noong nabasag niya ang mukha ni Juan Antonio Lopez, tinalo niya via 6th round TKO at ang debut fight niya sa Golden Boy promotion na kung saan nakalaban niya ang tinaguriang bad boy ng Mexico na si Daniel Rosas. Pinatulog lang niya ito matapos ang 1 minuto sa round 1 ng kanilang laban.
And Mozzie, same energy, same energy. Round number 1 of our scheduled 8. I don't know if it's going to last all 8. Again, lots of bad blood between these two. Schofield dressed in the yellow with white trim, and he's starting off with a flirt.
Both fast hitters. This should be interesting.
Yeah, Lopez with the experience. You know, there's not going to be a lot of things that Schofield is going to show him that's going to get him off of his game plan necessarily early. I can hear the crowd, or at least the corner for Lopez, trying to tell him to get in there.
Oh, what a hit from Schofield.
Shot to the body with the left, stuck in there by Schofield. And that was a booming left hand to the face. Ooh, with the straight.
Ooh, and I see Lopez kind of talking. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Lopez says no as he slipped barely.
He said what he wants, and he's very strategic when it comes to his fights and how he's landing his punches and when to attack. And Lopez is going right at him and definitely throwing his shots whenever he can. But it's quick when it comes to both of these fighters because both of these, they throw really fast and they hit hard.
Lopez has done a good job to keep his distance when he feels the pressure on. But he's taking some big shots from Schofield. Nice right hand by Schofield.
Absolutely. This kid, man, like he is too quick. Look at those combinations, good God. And they're just lightning fast.
You have to give a lot of props to Lopez. Lesser men would have already fallen with some of the shots he has taken.
Absolutely.
But he must look relaxed. I'm not sure if this is part of the game.
The look of determination in his face, he's focused. And he's waiting on, he's trying to read him and just trying to wait for that opening to land some hits in there.
The only problem with that technique
and he makes you pay every single time. So you got to, when you go in there, you got to make it count.
20 seconds left here in round number 3 of our championship fight. Scheduled for 8 rounds. Ooh,
Absolutely.
that fringe starting to fly off of the shorts on the trunks of Floyd Schofield. As we're coming towards the end of round number 3. The clean break there. It just leads to more aggression. As Floyd
Oh, what a left.
mother punches. Lopez pushed right into referee Cynthia Trejo. As now we had a bit of distance between the two in the last round. Now they look like they're both in the phone booth together.
Yeah, definitely a close combat. And this is usually...
One thing is that Lopez isn't back. Yeah, but you know what they say about smoking. It can be hazardous to your health.
Absolutely.
And Lopez definitely should think about trying to evade some of these punches. A little bit more head movement is definitely in the cards for Lopez. As Schofield connects as he dances away. Championship fight scheduled for 8.
Schofield, jab in the straight.
Yep. Hit the one and then the one destroyed this Floyd Schofield in the yellow trunks with white trim. Lopez, Juan Antonio Lopez, the wolf, in the multicolored trunks, black, red, and green. Nice left hand there, and that will send his opponent to a knee.
Here we go. Here we go.
The count is up to 7. I don't think
Schofield with another one.
dust him off because it was no big deal. Another KO in the books for Kid Austin, the defending champion, Floyd Schofield.
And it looks like Lopez is in pain, man. That shot didn't.
Therefore, your winner by way of knockout, still undefeated, and ABF Continental America's lightweight champion, Floyd Kid Austin Schofield.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.